Diwali is around the corner, right? So what is your
Yes.
plan for Diwali?
First of all, very good for using around the corner. I'm so happy and proud of you. You know, I love candies, but if you eat too much candies, what will happen?
Toothache or stomach ache?
Toothache or stomach ache, and one more, cavities will be there. Do you know what is cavity?
Yeah, I know. There are germs in the tooth. They're
Yes.
called cavities.
Exactly. Today, Sudiksha, I had a lot of fun talking with you, Bita. You are so good and you are answering very confidently with smile. Generally, you know what happens when we have to talk with a teacher? Sometimes many students, they feel very scared. They are very nervous, but you are not the same like them. I think you are always excited whenever you are in the class. Okay?
Okay, let's think. If we
Yes.
find it, I will say, okay, I find it. If I not find it, I will say, I don't find it.
Yeah, sure. Do let me know. And whenever you're, and what will you do with the pocket money? Buying chocolates?
No, I will not. First, I will save for emergency. If it's no money, then I will give to my mom and dad. If we are going to India,
Good to hear. Wonderful. So today, Sudiksha, do you want to talk about cartoons or do you want to talk about shopping? What would you like to talk about today?
shopping.
Shopping. Okay. Yes. Tulips are very beautiful. Do you know that?
Yes, I want one of that flower.
Wow. Do you love tulips?
Yes, I love all the flowers.
All the flowers. Okay. I am also doing well, Sudiksha. I am doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Okay.
Good
I'm
job.
doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Okay. And it's good to
Good
see you
job.
again. All right. So how was your day?
My day was going good.
Okay. And what did you do today?
I ate ice cream today.
You ate ice cream today. Which flavor, if I may ask?
It's vanilla flavor with chocolate.
Vanilla flavor with chocolate. That's wonderful. Good to hear. Do you love banana? Okay, one second. Few days ago, I saw that blueberry flavor, banana flavor, blackcurrant flavor, many flavors are available, right? Have you ever tried banana flavor ice cream or blackcurrant flavor ice cream?
No, it didn't.
You didn't. Okay. Good to hear. Wonderful. So today, Sudiksha, do you want to talk about cartoons or do you want to talk about shopping? What would you like to talk about today?
Shopping.
Shopping. Okay. So do you love shopping, Sudiksha?
I love shopping, but I like the Acer series of shopping, like
Oh,
millions of shoppings.
millions of shoppings. So what kind of shoppings do you like to do apart from accessories, food, clothing,
No, I like accessories and handbags.
and handbags? Okay. How many handbags do you have in your collection?
Now, what do you think? What is your favorite food besides pizza and cottage cheese?
My favorite food. It is quite difficult to answer. I love chicken.
I like chicken noodles.
Chicken noodles. I love chicken curry and even chicken nuggets.
I love everything made from chicken, and I love everything made from pizza, and I love everything made from cottage cheese.
Oh, okay. That's great. Have you ever tried this one? Blueberry flavor yogurt.
Try blueberry flavored yogurt. It's so yummy.
It's yummy, but I don't know. I don't like blueberries.
Yeah, I like blueberry. I like strawberries and
Mhm.
blueberries and raspberries.
Wow, that's great. You love berries, which
I see sunflowers behind you.
sunflower. Yes. How did you know that? It's
I always
actually,
see it.
it's, tulip. White tulip.
Tulip, tulip, tulip,
Tulip.
tulip.
Yes. Tulips are very beautiful. Do you know that?
Yes, I want one of that flower.
Wow. Do you love tulips?
Yes, I love all the flowers.
All the flowers. Okay. You know, I love candies, but if you eat too much candies, what will happen?
Toothache or stomach ache?
Toothache or stomach ache, and one more, cavities will be there. Do you know what is cavity?
Yeah, I know. There are germs in the tooth. They're
Yes.
called cavities.
Exactly. There are germs in the tooth, and when more and more cavities will be there, it will destroy your teeth and it will become black in color. Do you know that? So it's always better to brush our teeth how many times?
Twice a day.
Yes.
One day, then
Very good.
twice a day.
Twice a day. Correct. Wonderful. Very good. Do you know about tooth fairy?
Told you about that, right?
That's right. So you always follow that? Whenever you have a fallen tooth, you put it under the pillow.
Yes, I always do that.
Okay. And what which
Actually, my one teeth is about to go again.
so are you excited for the tooth fairy to come?
this one.
Oh, this one.
It's
Okay.
easy.
Are you
It's
excited or
easy.
scared?
Excited, of course. I get money. I already have lots of money.
Wow. So what will you do with that? Will you buy chocolate
No, I
candy
will
nut?
save it like a pocket money.
Pocket money. Okay. And what will you do with the pocket money? Buying chocolates?
No, I will not. First, I will save for emergency. If it's no money, then I will give to my mom and dad. If we are going to India.
Oh,
Simple.
that's so thoughtful of you. Do you know what is the meaning of thoughtful, Sudiksha?
No,
Thoughtful. I'm
no.
writing the spelling, okay? 1 second. Thoughtful. Do you know where is the chat option, beta?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thoughtful. Thoughtful. You know what is the meaning of thoughtful?
Full.
When we
No.
think about someone, that is called as being thoughtful. For example, you're
Thoughtful.
thinking about your mama, you're thinking about your family, that when your mama will need the money, you will give it to her, right? So, which means that you're thoughtful about her.
Something my mom will buy it. I will not buy it by myself. If she
Oh,
say no, so I will not buy it.
okay. So, you will listen to her. That's good.
Yeah. This time, when I'm gonna write a story,
Mm-hmm. What kind of story?
like any kind of stories by
Mm-hmm.
myself,
By yourself. That's wonderful.
and I see a beautiful lamb uh,
You see a beautiful
behind
lamb?
me.
Wow. So, Diksha's observation is great. That's correct. What is the color of the curtains, by the way?
The curtain is pink color.
Pink color. The curtain is pink in color, okay?
The curtain is pink in color. Do you know? Even I wear pink.
Yes, I have seen that. You're looking so pretty. Mhm.
Diwali is around the corner, right? So, what is your
Yes.
plan for Diwali?
First of all, very good for using around the corner. I'm so happy and proud of you. Secondly, I don't have any plans for Diwali, so Diksha. I will stay at home. Maybe I will read something or I will watch some movies and I will spend some time with my family, with my mama, papa, and sisters. What about you?
Celebrate at home. My dad will get me to the Diwali shopping
Diwali
again
shopping. What will you buy for Diwali? What will you get for Diwali?
to decorate our home and yummy, yummy food and make
Wow.
rangoli.
Make
First of
rangoli.
all, I will make all the rangoli by myself. I make rangoli.
Wow. How did you learn rangoli? Did your mama taught you?
Sometimes my mom make it, then I learn from her.
Okay, but you are so little and you know how to make rangoli.
Yes, I know. I think I can make a flower rangoli.
That's so beautiful. Good to hear. Good to hear. That's wonderful. So, what kind of colors do you like to use when you're making rangoli?
Use all the color of the rainbows.
7 colors?
Yeah, more than 7 colors. White, black. I don't think so. I will get the rangoli things or not. But I really want to make rangoli. And
Okay. Okay. Maybe you will find it most probably online. You will find it, Sudiksha. Okay.
okay, let's think. If we
Yes.
find it, I will say, okay, I find it. If I not find it, I will say, I don't find it.
Yeah, sure. Do let me know. And whenever you are making a rangoli, keep a picture of the rangoli and show me in the next class. Okay. I want to see what did you make for the rangoli. Okay, Sudiksha?
Do you know when is Diwali?
Yes, it is on 20th, right?
What is today? Today is 15. 50.
We still have 5 more days left for Diwali. Are you excited? See the excited, the excitement.
My daddy will come on 18.
He will come on 18th, okay. And
2, 6, after 3 days.
oh, we have 3 days before.
My daddy will take a flight after tomorrow.
Okay, that's wonderful. And Sadiksha loves Diwali, right?
My favorite festival is Halloween, and my
I
favorite festival is Diwali, and
know
my
why
favorite
Sadiksha loves
festival
Diwali.
is
I know.
Holi.
I know why Sadiksha loves Diwali. Should I say? Because she gets gifts. Isn't
No,
it? Oh, that's wrong. Then
okay.
why do you like Diwali?
Because it's the light festival. I love light. I
Oh.
love light. I will put light decoration. I love all the festival because we have to do decorate our house. It's
Ah,
so hard and it's so fun to do that.
really, I highly doubt that it will not be fun. I'm sure it will be a lot of fun.
There is a neighbors who make already they put light.
Okay, so it might look beautiful.
Yes, it's orange color. We will put rainbow color, right? Light. It was so fun.
Oh, that's great. So I would say enjoy Diwali to the very best because it comes only once a year, right? That's the sad thing. Again, we have to
Yeah,
wait the next year for Diwali to come. Right, Sudiksha?
yeah,
That's great. Good to hear. And I'm also super excited, I can't stop thinking about Diwali because, I love
yeah.
sweets. I eat a lot
See,
of sweets. Yes, sweets. So tasty, tasty sweets. Do you like Indian sweets?
I'm fond of any kind of sweet.
Any kind of sweets. Me too. Someday we will do competition. Just kidding. But I love sweets very much. So tasty, right? But we should not eat that much
What? How many sweet can you eat a day?
a day. Should I tell the truth or lie?
Truth.
Truth.
Okay.
If it is one box of sweets, if one box of sweets consists of 12 sweets, I can finish all.
I can finish one day 12. Sorry, no, 119,000
What?
sweets in one day.
In one day?
Yes,
Oh
in
my
one day.
God, I got a tough competitor then. Then I will never do competition with you. Sorry. But
But
that's
I
great.
never eat because my teeth got cavities.
Ah,
Not it will got cavities. I would never eat 2,000, 26,000, 50, 20, 80,000
it kept on
chocolate.
going. 22,060. Okay, okay, okay. I see. So adorable. So that's great. It's always good talking with you, Sudiksha.
Do you want a competition really?
Diwali competition. Someday we can do competition, Sudiksha. But next day what will happen? Our teeth will be gone because we will eat so sweets, so many sweets. The cavities will do party at our teeth. Do you know that?
Oh, no. Chocolates in a
Hmm?
one day.
I can.
I can eat it.
More than five, even more than five, I can eat. Cadbury is this big. I can eat.
I can eat this much.
This much, then I lose. I cannot eat that much. Okay, Sudiksha wins. Sudiksha wins, okay? I will never
No,
compete with Sudiksha.
okay, or only three chocolate in one day, okay?
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Done. Done. 50-50, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Very
I will.
good.
I will do 50.
Good girl. Good girl. We will do that, okay? By the way, today, Sudiksha, I had a lot of fun talking with you, Bita. You are so good and you are answering very confidently with smile. Generally, what happens when we have to talk with a teacher? Sometimes many students, they feel very scared. They are very nervous, but you are not the same like them. I think you are always excited whenever you are in the class.
Thank you.
Great. So, Sudiksha, it was really a wonderful session with you, Bita. In the next class,
Thank you.
I'll teach you more words, okay? Bye-bye.
Okay.
Take care. Heart, heart.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.